I think that it just started off with hiring people that are smarter and better than me. And that has been really powerful for me. Like, just sitting around and watching things has just been so amazing. And hearing the kudos that the team gets is just, that's what it's all about. And my team really grew organically. The whole thing has been very organic, just adding one person after the next and never looking to be a huge team. It's just happened organically over the years. And so that's something that I think is really powerful, is just we literally take it one client at a time, one house at a time. Even though this year we're on track for 400 transactions, we're about to hit 300 this month. It's always been about one at a time. It's never the run of the mill, like we're just going to shove you through as quick as we can. And we're always circling back with our clients. And I love when our clients call and I say, oh, hi, so-and-so. And they're like, how do you know that it's me? And I'm like, oh, first I have your phone number saved. But second of all, I know exactly who you are because that means something to me.
Right.
Obviously, as you grow, I don't know everybody that the sales team helps personally, but we have a lot of client events and stuff like that. And I always make sure to send them notes and congratulations. And we call after the transaction and do surveys just so that I'm keeping a check on where everything is at. And I will be the first one to tell you that my sales team is better than I am. They are phenomenal people.
And that often means that you need to put a lot of trust into them. So maybe at times when you feel like you need to get in there, you have to pull back and say, no, I hired this team for a reason, and I'm going to let them do their job.
Yes. Tom Ferry has a quote that says, nose in, hands off. So keep your nose in so you know what's going on and you're not oblivious to what's going on, but keep your hands out of what's going on and what they're doing. But we don't have any B players on our team. They just don't last on our team. And we really require them to be owners of our team, not renters. They cannot have the renter mentality. They will never work on our team. We demand too much of our team to have that kind of mentality.